Well, hello, random YouTube people. Let me show you how to set the combination to the TSA lock on your luggage. It's really quite easy. Going on a trip, here's my new suitcase, my favorite color. On the side, you'll see the TSA combination lock. By default, these are set to 000. It unlocks at 000. But that's not a safe combination. You'll see if I change it just a little bit, then this no longer unlocks. But how do we change the combination? It's really quite easy. If you look at the top of the lock, you can see this little push button. So it's kind of like resetting your wireless router. You have to get something small like a paper clip. I'm going to use this little cable here to depress that button. So you can see now it's clicked in. Now this is the part where we set our new combination. Let's set it to something ridiculous. 878. That's my new combination. When I've set whatever I want it to be, 878, I click this again. I squeeze it, and you'll see that this will pop out. See, it's popped back up. And there you go, it's set. So if I click this, it's gonna open. Let's put these back in, the zippers. All right, so if I click this, then it opens. Sweet. If I, of course, change that combination to something else, it's not gonna work. Can't open it. That's all you have to do. So 878 was my combination. There you go. How easy is that? So just remember, put the combination in the correct combination, depress this, and then you can change it to whatever combination you want. Click this to engage, and that's how you set the combination. Now go enjoy your vacation.
Subscribe.